Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're back with another video. So today's video is going to be a little different. We're going to do some type of a little review. Ended up picking up this little pressure washer. I think that's what it's advertised as, a multifunctional portable lithium battery washer from my local Costco. And I decided to make a video. Maybe it's good for someone, maybe it's not. Just so you know, it's a good deal though. But we're gonna be washing the Jeep today. My pressure washer, my big pressure washer, actually took a dump, so that's why I ended up getting this for now until I fix mine or until I purchase a new one. Pressure washers are not that cheap, so we are using this as a substitute just to wash the cars. Right now we're gonna be washing the Jeep. We also have to wash the Tahoe, but just to wash them. And then the Razor, maybe it just works for the Razor and that'll be good enough for now, but I'll give it a try, let you guys know if it's worth it or not before you even purchase it. But this is what comes with it. I already charged it. It's a, you charge it with the USB-C. There it is, USB-C. I did plug it in to charge. That's all I've done with this so far, and it's a small little handy thing. Then it does come with accessories. I didn't open these, but I'm sure it comes with accessories. It says it does. So it does come with the little foam cannon, carry bag, a nozzle, and then the USB charging cable. Let me see what else it comes with. Oh, and what is that, a water hose, I guess? Yeah, it looks like a water hose with a filter. Nice. So let me go ahead and set it all up. I do have some soap that I'm gonna be adding into the foam cannon, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, so I did go ahead and the hose goes connected there. You are supposed to fill up a water bucket. You are supposed to fill up the foam cannon with soap, which we did. And then the end of the hose does have a little water filter. You don't run it off of a water hose, you run it off of a bucket. So just so you guys know, that is the setup. Foam cannon on it, or soap cannon, whatever you want to call it. Has the hose that goes off of a water bucket, and let's see if it works. Well, I guess you're supposed to press this. Oh, so it's probably max pressure, medium pressure, low pressure. We'll go with max for it shows a dirt bike or a street bike. There we go. So that's how that worked. I wasted a lot of soap, so I don't know how we're gonna figure that out. Probably dilute it more, but that's that stage. I'll go ahead and scrub it down, and then I'll show you guys what the other nozzle does. Okay, so we did go ahead and attach that other nozzle. We did go and wipe it down, scrub it down. Yeah. All right, so as you guys can see, it doesn't have too much water pressure. It's advertised at 170. I don't have anything to measure it, nor would I measure it, but it's more of an electric nozzle that you buy for your the nozzle attachment that you buy for your water hose. It works, does the job. It's just really slow. I can see this being used more for like apartment situations. You have your apartment or a condo, whatever, you don't have access to a water hose, you fill up your water bucket inside, you come out and wash your vehicle. Unfortunately, it doesn't do what I wanted it to, so we'll see. But for a big vehicle, you're wasting time. It's better just with the water hose and a nozzle attachment that you could turn on and off or open and close. So that's, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the truck, but the Jeep, but that's how that nozzle works. It does have the settings on the nozzle. It has like a angled one, a flat angle, another angle that has a little bit more pointed down, has a wide fan angle, then it has the just the straight nozzle shot, and it has the foam one. But we'll finish up the Jeep right now, and then I'll give you guys my actual thoughts on it. Well, never mind, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the Jeep right now, and I'll be right back. All right, so I decided to get the water hose to help me speed this up because it does take way longer with that little gun. But I could see it, I'm not gonna return it, I'm not going to return it. So I could see it useful for like when we go camping, throw it in the RV and use it out there to have a little bit of water pressure. Maybe rinse off your feet when you're out on the sand, or rinse some things around the camp, just because that's what it looks like it's aimed towards with the whole bucket. So that's what we will be using it for. I'll soap up the rest of the Jeep right now with that little gun and the little cannon and finish it off, rinse it off with the water hose. And this is the nozzle I was telling you guys about. I feel like that's what that little contraption is, just a water hose but electric one with a pump in it, so you could use it when you have no access to a water hose. All right, so final thoughts on the Fanttik pressure washer, or Fanttik pressure, let me see what it's called. So final thoughts on the Fanttik multifunction portable lithium washer. Will it get the job done? Yes, but it will take a lot of effort. You're better off with the water hose. For certain applications, I'm pretty sure it's really good, like I said, when you don't have access to a water hose, because it does run off of suction from a bucket. The other thing is, like for camping, it should be good to rinse things off. Like I said, you don't have access to a water hose, that's good, but I don't recommend doing whole vehicles with it. I was planning on doing the RV with it, definitely not anymore. Possibly not even the Razor. Maybe when we're out riding and we stay for overnight trips and we want to rinse it off, then I'll be able to use it. But for what I thought it was going to be used, it won't be used. Will I keep it? Yes, just to toss it in the RV, add it to the arsenal. You never know when you might need it. But will I be purchasing another one if this one breaks? No, I won't. So do as you want with that information. Just wanted to show you guys because my expectations were really high for it and it let me down. So if you have low expectations, it'll be perfect. What I thought it was going to be used for won't be used for. So with that being said, hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.